Hello and welcome. Today I will share with you 12 rules of being mysterious. Having a mysterious stance is a feature that attracts people's attention and arouses curiosity. So let's start. The first rule is self-control. It is important to control your emotions and take a calm and determined stance. Act with confidence. The second rule is to improve your communication skills. Talking incomprehensibly and deeply will attract the attention of the other party. Choose what you say carefully. The third rule is to adopt a mysterious style. Adding a bit of mystery when choosing your outfits and style will help you present an impressive stance. The fourth rule is to make eye contact. Looking deeply into the eyes of the other party will attract their attention. However, be careful not to overdo the eye contact. The fifth rule is to protect your secrets. Avoid sharing your private life and thoughts. This is an effective way to add some mystery to you. The sixth rule is to acquire a hobby or talent that attracts attention. For example, playing a mysterious instrument or playing an interesting sport will attract the attention of people around you. The seventh rule is limited use of social media. It might be more impressive to keep things private rather than making yourself public all the time. The eighth rule is to introduce yourself mysteriously. Providing a limited amount of information about your name, job, or personal information increases the other party's curiosity about you. The ninth rule is to take a strong stance. Showing your confidence and acting without the influence of others is the key to an air of mystery. The 10th rule is to disappear from time to time. Instead of always being present, sometimes disappearing mysteriously will make others wonder about you even more. The 11th rule is to give limited information and create an air of mystery. Instead of giving too much detail about yourself, it will be more effective to exercise the imagination of the other party. The last rule is to smile calmly and mysteriously. Impressing people with a unique smile will strengthen your mysterious stance.